Good day po ma'am. So this is my topic of my report. So appraise the importance of the different ethnic groups in Mindanao and preserving their craft. The diverse ethnic groups of Mindanao play a pivotal role in preserving their unique craft, which are not only expression of their cultural heritage but also a vital sources of livelihood and identity. These crafts, passed down through generation, embody the rich history, beliefs, and tradition of each groups, showcasing their artistic talents and connection to their environment. Means the diverse ethnic groups in Mindanao play a significant, so may mga significant role na preserve ang Mindanao to their unique craft, which reflect their culture, history, and identity. So, ga-reflect yan ang kanato culture, o history, and kanato identity. Next is cultural preservation and identity. So, living history, each craft serves as a tangible link to their past, preserving ancestral knowledge and skills. The intricate designs, materials, and techniques used in this craft tell stories of their ancestors' beliefs and way of life. So, um, means puyo kita nga hinamay laong pa history or kasaysayan na ang mga craft sa una is ang kagamitan ng mga craft is grabe yung konkreto na simbolo yaan ng kanato mga nakaraan o na kinahanglan gyud nato iya na um, pag-ingatan na para sa kaalaman na kasanay ng ating mga ninuno. So, ang disenyo ng pamamaraan ay daong pa yag kwento iya na sa kanato ng tinuuhan para uh, tinuuhan at laong pa panginabuhian ng kanato mga laong pa kalululuhan. Next is community identity. Craft are often used in rituals, ceremonies, and everyday life, reinforcing a sense of community belonging. The shared knowledge and practice of this craft strengthen cultural bonds and foster pride in their heritage. So means, ang mga kagagamitan na ginagamit ng pagritual is sa kanato pang adlaw-adlaw na kinabuhi is nagpapalakas siya ng ating komunidad at para sa kanato pagkakaisa or means unity na pinagsama ang kaalaman at pagsasagawa ng nagpapatibay na ugnayan na sa kanato culture o pagtataguyod ng ating pagmamalaki sa ating mga pamana or kanato mga laong pa panginabuhian. Next is distinctive expression. Each ethnic groups in Mindanao has developed its own unique style and aesthetic in their craft, reflecting their distinct cultural identities, and these diversities enriches the cultural landscape of the Philippines and showcase the creativity and um, uh, integrity of the people. So, the distinctive expression. So, Mindanao, ethnic group in Mindanao has gina-develop yaan tungod sa may kaugalingon na unique style and aesthetic na mga craft. Nag-reflect yan sa kanato cultural identities na makita, ma-showcase ng lahi na mga lugar na grabe ka creative ang Mindanao pag-abot sa mga craft. So, amo yan is sana makapa-attract sa kanato culture sa kanato sa kanila sa Mindanao. So, that's why para may mga mangdayo na from other na lugar para makita ang kanato mga uh, craft kung na grabe gid ka creative ang mga tao nga ni sa Mindanao. Next is economic benefits and livelihood. So, when we say livelihood is panginabuhian o may benefits, yan siya. So, traditional skills and as livelihood. Many ethnic groups in Mindanao rely on their craft for income, creating sustainable livelihood based on their cultural heritage. This economic activity helps preserve traditional skills and knowledge, ensuring their continued transmission to future generation. So, ngani sa traditional skills of livelihood, so hamok ang mga laong pa ethnic groups sa ngani sa kanato Mindanao na amoy panginabuhi o ani yakakuha ng income na dagko tungod sa paghimo ng mga craft. So amoy yakahimo sila ng sustainable livelihood tungod sa kanato cultural heritage. So tungod sa craft kay to kay tradition na sa ganyan sa Mindanao ang paghimo-himo ng craft mas ilayaan na mas badi ang income sa paghimo-himo ng crops o also yakatabang iyan sa kanato economic development and mas yaka kuanya ang livelihood tungod sa kanato culture na sa craft. Next is tourist and cultural exchange. So, the unique craft Mindanao attract tourists and collection generating income for local communities and promoting cultural exchange. This exposure helps raise awareness and appreciation for the rich cultural heritage of the region. So, tungod sa craft, ng sa Mindanao is isaya na yaka-pa-attract sa kanato tourists and collectors na yaka-generate yan ng income sa kanato local communities na gina-promote ng cultural exchange. So yaan ang yaka-pa-attract isayaan ni sa kanato sa Mindanao isa ang mga craft nato na yaka-pa-attract. That's why there's a lot of laong pa people na to kuan lang pa makanhi na magmangdayo tungod sa kanat mga craft na ma-witness nila kung uno gayud ka creative gani ang people sa Mindanao sa mga craft. Next is sustainable development. Many crafts are made from natural materials, promoting sustainable practices and preserving traditional knowledge of resource management. This approach contribute to environmental conservation and foster and harmonious relationship with nature. So, ngani sa sustainable development is hamok ang na mga craft ang ginahimo iya ng sa natural materials promoting kibali gahimo iyan sa mga kuan lang na materials yang mga natural. So promoting sustainable practices and preserving sa kanato traditional knowledge para puhon of resource management para puhon sa mga new generation yadto nato mga craft is diri ano ba di na mabiyaan ang kanato culture or ang mga tradition nato sa una. So ang sumusunod kibali at least makatiyam gyapon sila kung ginauno nato paghimo kanato mga craft. So this approach contribute to environment conservation and foster a harmonious relationship with a nature. So that's all po ma'am of my topic of my report. Appraise the importance of the different ethnic groups in Mindanao in preserving their craft. So actually ang kaubang ko sini sa report is si Sherwin Charles Andos. So since that time ma'am is yeah ka-absent ako because of my family problem because my sister was die or kuan. So that's why wala ako naka-report that time. So kuman ga video dakan ako. So thank you so much Ma'am Fatima Naranjo sa paghatag ng chance kanak na maka-report. Thank you so much Ma'am. God bless.